store, we're doing hoodies, jackets, sweaters, button-ups. You know, there's no limit to like what we can create. And the goal is to kind of have this mastermind, this meeting of the minds, so that we can pitch ideas and potentially delegate some responsibilities, so that we can create something dope for TRUE Skool that people are excited about. Because I think it's about time to do something official with Unfinished Legacy and TRUE Skool. Right. And thinking back to like when we did the showcase, like that was always something that we were always like super excited about. Is like, what color the tee is gonna be? What's gonna be the design? Like, what's the look that, you know, we're all gonna have to, you know, or the aesthetic that we're all feeding into for the showcase. We're aiming for December 13th as the launch date. So we have a couple months, 2.5 months or something like that. So the ball is gonna get rolling pretty fast. Today we're gonna like gauge people's capacity to kind of, like I said again, like to take on responsibilities for the project as far as ideas for marketing, doing videos or photos. If anybody wants to grow in the field of product development, to learn how to create product on your own, or for, you know, whether you want to start a brand, or if you're gonna, you know, if you guys are working with TRUE Skool more closely, being able to, you know, take on that responsibility and role. Campaigning, budgeting for that type of stuff, to make sure that we can design or mood board, design, sample, shoot, and present this project to Milwaukee and potentially the world, you know. So yeah, I don't know.